Another top 150 interview question for Python 27 Leetcode. Remove elements, in which we need to remove the value within the nums array. So in this example that they gave below here, we need to remove 2, except there's a condition that we want to move them in place. So basically, this is an important part, because if you were simply to think, oh, I'll just pop it or delete it, every time you remove 2, everything would have to shift over. And this, if you have a lot of records, is going to take a lot of memory time. Same again, you would have to shift over, which was going to take a lot of memory time. So every time you hit a 2, you would have to shift over. So basically, is what this is saying is this is going to do it in place, where the 3 is going to come here, and we're going to keep track of how many values there are. And then the 0 is going to come here. It's all going to shift over. And then the 4. And then once we find all the unique values, we're going to keep record. So we would increment. So there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we don't even need the rest. You would just cut it off right here. And this would be the answer of all the unique values. So in order to code this, basically, you have to keep a k pointer, which is what they said, although it makes more sense if it's called pointer or I have that in the notes. And we need to do for n in the nums. And if this number, n is equal to number, is not equal to the value, then we're going to store in place the nums k pointer, you call I2, becomes the new number. And then we need to keep track as the pointer. So we need to increment the pointer. So k equals k plus 1. And then when you're done with the algorithm, you're going to need to return k, because that's how many unique pointers there are. And that's where it basically cuts off the rest. And when you submit this, it's going to pass with 55%. And oftentimes when I'm not recording, it's faster. So there we go. And that's basically how you solve this problem with in place, with shifting everything over in memory.